Hello everyone out there on YouTube. I've realized I've never made a video about my boat, so we're going to try shooting a quick video here on the cell phone and see how it turns out. This boat is a 1971 Silverline, 18 foot long, seat 6, closed bow. Turn around there, you can get a view of the front. Hope I didn't make anyone dizzy. We got a sailboat out today, you can see that. Over the last winter, I made all new seats, completely homemade. Used a Sailrite sewing machine and all of their products actually. Got nice stained wood on the sides. Looks real sharp. Then I have the synthetic teak flooring down as well. This is the flooring with the 1/8 inch foam backing on it. Makes it real nice and soft on your bare feet. It does get a little warm, but not too bad. The original seats that were in this boat used to be the same green that's up here. It's just slightly darker than an olive green. That green got very hot and it was, well, quite frankly, it hurt to sit on if it was out in the sun for very long. Up at the control center, we have the original gauges. This boat does about 27 miles an hour, and it'll do that regardless of how many passengers are in it. Original Mercury control. Now I'll go back and talk about the motor. This motor is a 1972 Mercury 115 horsepower. I've taken the lower unit apart. It's got all new gaskets and seals in it. They're going on about 3 summers of use now. Top half has been painted. Haven't had the time to get around to the bottom half. And I had the front cover chromed and it looks real nice. Gone through the carburetors, fuel pumps, all new electrical. It's got a new charging system in it. It's a good, reliable motor, and it's never let me down out in the lake. So, we got a nice, pretty big lake out here in northeast Ohio. This is just one section of the lake. There are 3 sections about this size. So let's see if I can start it up, get it moving, and hope I don't have too much wind noise for you. These old outboards don't have a thermostat in them, so sometimes they can be a little cold-blooded. They don't have to sit for very long either before they cool off, and you have to use some throttle to get them to run. But once you give them a minute, you can turn the throttle back down and it idles just fine. So I gotta pull up my anchor here and I'll be on our way. Let's get out of here. tow vehicle, we got a 77 F-150, the 351 modified in it for the engine, 4-wheel drive, and the boat being a 71. It matches the setup pretty good. Now that is the original paint, what's left on the boat, so it doesn't look perfect, but there it is. Fun unit.